ओके, मैं पहले इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें बता दूं. टेक्स्ट बॉक्स यू नो ना, yesterday we have discussed about shapes and all. In that we have
Yes.
text box also. Draw text box, whatever you want to write you can write here with random select paragraph. I just want to put a single paragraph. Okay, I'll just put it like this. I'll select it. Okay, shape fill, I'll just color this box. I'll lighter color. Okay, I can go to there, italic कर देते हैं and in a different color. Okay, put it here. ऐसे कर सकते हैं, justify it. And then again आप format में जा सकते हैं. If you want to position it anywhere, click here and then you can position it wherever you want. Right? आप ऐसे कर सकते हो. And then मैं outline भी note कर देता हूँ. Okay. Could you see this? आप ऐसे formatting कर सकते हो text box को. I don't think that इसमें कोई problem होनी चाहिए आपको. Easy ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's do some other things. Word art, you know. If you want to insert a word art here, you can click it here. Whatever you want to write, like Mahindra Pride School. Okay. यहाँ पे हमने कर दिया. Just one more meaning, so no fill कर दिया. Okay, ये उसका heading वाला चीज़ है ना, theme के हिसाब से. Okay, if I want to convert it, see, इसमें एक चीज़ें हैं. You can do it like this also. बात समझ में आ रही है?
हाँ sir.
So you can create this kind of things also here. इस वर्ड आर्ट को लेके. So आपको कैसे यूज करना है, कंप्लीटली आप यूज कर सकते हो. नाउ this is a drop cap. Drop cap is a simple thing, like in paragraphs you must have seen in magazines also. The very first letter is quite big whenever it starts a paragraph, right? So for that you can use this. इसके अलावा कुछ भी नहीं है. So I'm starting a new thing. Okay. If you want to insert some okay, add signature. सिग्नेचर्स आप डालना चाहते हो, लाइक आपने कोई एप्लीकेशन लिखा है एंड सब्जेक्ट है, राइट? देयर इज सम सब्जेक्ट रिगार्डिंग, मैं थोड़ा फास्ट जा रहा हूँ बिकॉज दीज आर सम इजी टॉपिक्स है, तो मैं ज़्यादा इसमें टाइम नहीं दे रही है. Thing and then I want to put my signature line here. Then what you can do, go here, go to a Microsoft thing, write your name, like मैंने अपना यहाँ पे नाम लिख दिया, टाइटल लिखना है, मैं टाइटल लिख देता हूँ IT कुछ, एंड ईमेल एड्रेस एंड ओके. नहीं तो आप ओके कर दो. जैसे आप ओके करते हो देख रहे हो नीचे में एक सिग्नेचर लाइन आ जाता है, ठीक है, क्रॉस का सिग्नेचर, यहाँ पे मुझे सिग्नेचर करना है. बात समझ में आ रहा है? So if you want to insert any signature lines, then you can add this. Okay?
Yes sir.
It's very simple thing. इसलिए मैं ज़्यादा नहीं दिमाग लगा रहा इसमें. I'm just going थोड़ा सा fast all this. If you want to insert the current date and time, then you can go to this one, choose any date and time, and then click OK. Okay. Here is one more thing. यहाँ पे जब आप करते हो, there is यहाँ पे update automatically दिख रहा है.
Yes sir.
अगर आप इसे चेक कर देते हो, if it is checked, then what will happen? See, अभी तो ये चल रहा है, but when you will open this document in another day or some other day, तो ये क्या करेगा, डेट ऑटोमेटिकली अपडेट हो जाएगा और उस समय का डेट दिखाएगा. ठीक है?
Okay sir.
ठीक है. Next is objects. Object is like if you want to insert from anything from different software thing, आप object पे click कर सकते हो and I'll show a simple thing. यहाँ पे देख रहे हो, you can insert some Foxit reader, PDF reader वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह, each and everything. That is from different software. Bitmap image आपका पेंट की तरह आएगा. Click OK. Now ये क्या होता है, पेंट खुल जाएगा. You can draw whatever you want to draw, signatures and blah 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 whatever. Anything. Okay, I will just draw like this and then it's closed. जैसे मैं close कर देता हूँ, see, दिखा आपको? You can again resize it वगैरह सारा कर सकते हो. Fine.
Yes sir.
ठीक है, तो this is also thing. उसके बाद इक्वेशन की बात करते हैं, तो if you want to insert any mathematical equation, go to insert new equation and आप यहाँ से fractions वगैरह डाल सकते हो. Like I want to insert x6, go to the fraction. I'm not good at maths, so let me tell you first. So अगर कोई क्वेश्चन गलत होता है, don't blame me. Okay. Then again आप fraction डालना चाहते हो, you can go for the fractions 8 by 6 and then again equals to question mark, whatever आप डालना चाहते हो आप डाल सकते हो. ठीक है? Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, simple. Apart from this, if you want to insert some symbols, you must have seen in your keyboard there are some symbols like exclamation mark, at the rate, hash, dollar symbol. But apart from that, also you need more symbols like alpha, theta, gamma, beta, pi, right? For that you can go to this insert पे चले जाओ और यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है these are symbols like ये हमने पहले भी डिस्कस किया था राइट आपको याद होगा विंडिंग्स वाला बताया था
हाँ
क्या मैंने
सर.
आप लोग को go to more symbols and there you will get so many symbols आपके यहाँ पे ठीक है whatever you want to insert you can insert but I'll tell you some shortcuts remember this thing okay अगर आप ब्रिटानिया कंपनी लिखते हो and if you want to write the copyright symbol here then what you will do bracket शुरू करो C लिखो then close the bracket and it will automatically convert it into the copyright thing okay if you want to go for the registered mark bracket शुरू करो press R and bracket बंद करो वो आपका registered हो जाएगा and for the trademark go for this thing बात समझ में आया
Yes. No, sir.
नथिंग इसमें कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है wherever you want to insert these symbols ना आप bracket शुरू करो C press करो
Just say in English, no, sir.
हाँ जी
I don't know Hindi, so say in English, sir.
okay you don't know Hindi sorry I really don't know now I just want to say that if you want to insert any copyright symbols or if you want to insert trademark symbols or registered symbols then you can do it through keyboard also for that what you have to do open the bracket press C and then close the bracket and it will automatically convert it into the copyright symbol okay
Just
same
enter C. That's it, sir.
yes and just as well as soon as you will close the bracket it will convert into the registered thing okay same for the trademark also right TM and this way okay
Thank you, sir.
okay but one more thing everybody should know देखो if you are using Windows 10 operating system and if you are using MS Office 2016 onwards okay then you can also bring the rupees symbol like you have to type 20B9 remember this code 20B9 then select it okay and after selecting press alt plus X are you getting my point
Plus alt and
X
X, sir.
yeah X alt plus X
Okay.
okay remember 20B9 20B9 is the code select it first and then alt X and it will convert into the rupees symbol but for that you need Windows 10 and Office 2016 version okay
Okay, sir.
why Windows 10 because rupees symbol was came into the market when Windows 10 was there it was not there when Windows 3 you were using Windows 7 okay so it was not updated got that
Yes, sir.
okay now I'm removing all this sure. Okay, one more thing. Huh? I forgot to tell you yesterday. Let me tell you that.